Alright, YouTube brewers, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a StirPlate the right way. And you only need 3 things besides all the other things you need. This LM317, looks just like this. You're going to need an electrolytic capacitor, 0.1 microfarad. This one's 50 volt, but doesn't have to be. It can be a 16 volt or a 35 volt. And a 330 ohm resistor. Yeah, one of those. But you only need one. This one will do. I got all this stuff on eBay from China. These 3, I got 3 of them for 99 cents. These I got 5 of them for 99 cents, I think. And these I got all those for 99 cents. So that's what I would do. Unless you don't want to wait, just go to Radio Shack. Go get them. I'm going to be using a breadboard, fan, and I'm going to use this 12 volt battery, but you're going to use a power adapter, whatever they're called, 9 volt AC to DC. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, first thing you're going to do is take your LM317, put it right there on the breadboard. Take your electrolytic capacitor. Oh, you know what? Before we go any further, let's look at this. This is the circuit. Not the circuit, the schematics. Can you see it? But this is actually, right here is what the pin layout is. Pin 1 is the adjust, pin 2 is the out, and pin 3 is the in. Okay. This isn't correct, but this is what we're going to use actually to build it. Okay. Electrolytic capacitor has a negative side. So negative goes to the ground, positive goes to pin number 3. So ground, ground, and pin 3. Oh yeah. Okay, what's next? Your resistor. Okay, resistor goes between pin 1 and pin 2. Bend your resistor like that. Makes it easier. Get your cutters wherever they are. That. Okay, there's the resistor. What else we got here? We got the capacitor. This is you're going to use one like this. This is a 10 ohm. No, 10K. 10 ohm. I'm not sure. Whatever. Okay, that's going to go from the, let's see, it's going to go from the just pin. So just pin is pin 1, and the other side's going to go to the ground. Okay, just like that. What else we got here? So that's that, and our fan. So there's the fan. Power goes to the out pin, which is the middle pin, and the other side just goes to ground. Like that. And that's it. That's the whole circuit. Alright, so we're going to hook up our positive and our negative of our battery. Okay, positive to positive and negative to negative. Okay. Then turn on the fan. And it's not turning. So what are we doing wrong here? Okay, what are we doing wrong? That's going in. Oh, we need duh. We need a jumper cable to go from the power to the power pin. So I'm just going to use this pin here, positive, and the in is pin 3. So jump this over to pin 3. Okay. Now let's make it spin. Oh, it's spinning. Can you see that? Oh yeah. So, pretty simple. Why do you need all this, right? You've seen the guys on YouTube build their StirPlates. They don't have these. Well, you want it because I can make this fan go really slow. Right? Try to do that with just a potentiometer and your 9-volt wall outlet. Trust me, it's not going to work. My first StirPlate, I tried doing it the other way, and it didn't work. And I used to do my yeast starters, and you know, at night time, it's fine during the day when I'm out and about and around, you know, but this LM317, it regulates the voltage so that it doesn't speed up and slow down, speed up and slow down like it would if you didn't have it. So I can turn this on and it's going to stay at this volt all night long. It's never going to jump and throw my stir bar, and then I wake up in the morning and my StirPlate hasn't been spinning all night. But this thing, I don't have to worry about that. So that's why you want to do it this way. Okay. You don't have to build a circuit, but you can. You just get some of these. You can get these and you can etch it yourself, or you can go to Radio Shack and get the ones that have holes. Also, one more thing is you're going to want, this gets really hot, so you're going to want either a heat sink. You're going to want a heat sink, or like the one I built. Was out of this. This was like a old hard drive, and I just drilled, you know, it's not metal, it's some kind of aluminum, and so I just drilled a hole in it and used like a little nut and washer, lock washer, and I actually just mounted it to the bottom there. There's no board in here. It's just all soldered together. I'll show you real quick. Hang on a second. Okay, so like I said, this is a old hard drive. So I use the power. I use the power and like the LED that just comes on when I plug it in. And then there's the LM317, and there's the resistor. the potentiometer, and it's kind of hard to see, but right down there is the cap. So this is one way to do it, or make a board. Okay. Here's a closer shot of the breadboard. Alright guys, this is a close-up of the board. So pins 1 and 2 get the resistor. Pin 3 gets the electrolytic capacitor. Positive goes to pin 3, negative goes to ground. Then your fan, then the rest of it's going to be like this. Your fan positive goes to the out, which is actually pin 2. The negative goes to the ground. Your volt in, 12 volt, 9 volt, whatever you're using, goes to the pin 3, which is the in. Alright, it's going to go to pin 3 on the other side of the capacitor. And then your potentiometer goes on pin 1, which is the adjust pin. So it's going to go on the other side of that resistor there. Okay, and then the other side of the potentiometer goes to ground. Don't forget the power wire, like I did. Power just goes from your power to pin 3. This one. You know, so if you're using a the wall outlet, your wall outlet will go there to that pin. And then the negative of the wall outlet just goes to negative. That's it. Super simple. Cool. Okay.